What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are living all right during your quarantine period. Trying to provide you guys with that daily content. So if you guys are stoked, if you guys enjoying this daily stuff, if we can kind of get that 1,000K mark in every video or more, we're in good shape, and it really helped me out. So today, you guys can probably tell from the title, again, we're jamming and rocking, rolling on this thing, man. So we gotta play some musical cars. I'm kind of trapped in with some rigs out front. So I'm gonna see if I can get those moved. But yeah, I wanna move this out of the lift bay and put it where the Z is. So the Z is probably gonna go ahead and either chill outside for now or be put here, because we need as much room as possible for this whole detail. So quick little just rundown on my plan for today. I do want to go ahead and remove these side skirts, so at least that way we can kind of clean up underneath and inside of the skirt, and then we can you know, reinstall them, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and repaint them. So speaking of repainting, we gotta go ahead and repaint this wing. I would like to get a GTR wing, but I think for now we'll at least just rock this, paint it silver. Same with the trunk. As you guys can see, it's super faded. Gonna go ahead and remove these. Someone mentioned that we can tint them. That's not a bad idea, just paint them black or something like that. But this car does have AC, so we don't really need them. Maybe I'll just kind of stow them away, put them away for now. Or if someone's interested, let me know, because I wouldn't mind selling them just to kind of have some money to put back into the car. So it's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get these cars moved around, and we'll just dive right in. Together as a family, man. How about that, huh? Woo. Jay-Z and RB, baby. That's real good. Whoa, dude, it is so cold in here. This AC is working a dream, bro. Woo, and that wasn't even on high. Damn, this feels nice, bro. So crucial for Texas. I'm so happy right now, man. This is great. what a gem. What a gem, bro. Obviously got the, you know, hell yeah. All right, so first thing on the agenda, gonna go ahead and just remove all these pieces. I'm gonna get the wing off of here, remove these rear valances, the side skirts. At least that way when I go ahead and reinstall them, we can make sure it's all done properly and it looks good. And I might honestly have to repaint the side skirts, I don't know. And probably the rear, because those are pretty chipped up. And then maybe, since it seems like this is a pretty abusive spot, especially if we're gonna be hooning this car around a little bit, maybe we can get some clear film and maybe like some PPF and just put some here, because we would like to keep this intact, because these are nice pieces. I believe they are all OEM. Same goes for the wing. So for these side skirts, it seems like they're just kind of held in by this one Phillips here, and then we also got one here, one there. I'm gonna try to make sure you guys can see what I'm filming with this point of view, because I know sometimes I can kind of get wavy with her. It looks like we just got a bunch of double-sided tape, and I might just go ahead and put some rivets if this does not want to sit where it needs to, but you know, let's just go ahead and take this off. I am also really curious on what's lingering behind this little bubble here in this paint. So oh gosh, please let there be no surprises, right? Definitely looks like this thing was jacked up here, which kind of sucks. I'm gonna see if I can fix that. The pinch well is kind of hammered, but at least we got it off. It looks good all here, honestly. Pretty solid, Just got this little issue here, which if we peel it back a little bit, I don't know if I want to mess with it. It seems like it's already maybe been repaired once. Okay, a little bit of rust here, looks like a little bit there. We're gonna fix all this probably tomorrow. Tomorrow's the rust day, I think. At least we caught it before it got real bad. Also found this spot here of rust. They just keep popping up, man. It just keeps popping up. Is that really how it bolts in? Looky what we have here. Oh, can you? Oh, yeah. Huh. Nismo struts, dude. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Doesn't even look like the same car anymore without these skirts. Look at it. Totally different. And no wing. Oh, man. And then check this out. We got the power wire for the battery rear location, like, was tucked in the skirt. That's pretty interesting. So yeah, same deal. You guys can kind of hopefully maybe see. Jacked up a bunch there, and man, that just bums me out. We're definitely gonna get this thing where it needs to be. We're gonna put the love into it that it deserves. That's for damn sure. Whew, okay, well, it is like 9 o'clock at night right now, just after, and we definitely got pushed back today because we have a little bit of electrical work going down in the shop. But yeah, I went ahead and I just did a little test panel on the roof. I'm gonna show you guys how it went, and yeah, we have a long night ahead of us, so we'll kind of see how far we get. But, so, this is the side I did right here. This is a tough one to show you, but you guys can see how hazy, hopefully you guys can tell on camera, and then how nice and clean it is over here. Maybe that's a better comparison. There we go. I believe this car has been resprayed at one point or another because some parts in the clear coat on the roof definitely look like it's been altered or painted. I'm gonna explain a little bit how I'm doing it, what I'm using, and hey, maybe you guys can go ahead and do something like this to your car, man. Bring back the shine. Trying to get you guys motivated to go do your own thing, you know what I mean? Go out there, get some work done, and you know, build your own stuff, because it is rewarding and you learn a lot. It's cool, and you save a lot of money, right? You get to keep your car out of shops and stuff, even though that's what I'm trying to do here. I want your car in my shop. That's the only exception I have. If your car's in my, we're good. Quick heads up, sorry about this, but I do have to mention, we hit up this guy about reupholstering these GTR seats, and it's happening. So I know some GTR purists may get upset, but I mean, come on, this just sucks, dude. Like, and they look really worn. I want to keep it OEM plus in here and just keep these seats. So what we're doing is a black suede with like a gray suede. So the gray center is gonna stay. The outside will be a black. So no more blue. It's gonna kind of blend in with the rest of the interior. So it's gonna look super good. It's about a month for them to get done, so that kind of sucks, but I just want you guys to know we're gonna get this interior looking really good. And in the meantime, we're gonna work on the exterior, the engine. By the way, just want to show you some couple other things, dude. Woo, yeah. This is gonna be used for a couple engine bays. Just want to keep that. Let you guys know that this is happening. Let me get some light in here. I mean, you know, woo. Stay tuned. We just went ahead and spent a bunch of money on paint, so we got a lot of stuff coming. We got this ceramic like clay kit, so like a reusable. It's pretty cool. It's like a synthetic clay bar kind of. So go ahead, and if any parts are in need of it, so we'll just go ahead. You just kind of tell by if the paint feels a little bit sandy, you want to make sure it's nice and smooth before you go ahead and buff. You don't want to buff any of that crap into the paint. So let's just get into it. Alright guys, check this out. So half the hood is complete. You can see how just foggy this is, man. And come over here, cleans right up. So it's pretty awesome, honestly. It's just so satisfying. Obviously, if you guys have like a deeper, darker color, that's why we're gonna maybe do some test panels on Austin's. That way you guys can really see what can come out of this. And obviously, I mean, just visually from the light test is all you really need. You know, I mean, just the clarity difference in that light bar is pretty epic. So I'm gonna continue, man, and just keep on knocking out this car. So enjoy, guys. Sit back, relax, grab a drink. Let me know what you're sipping on. I'm about to grab a lemonade, bro. Minute Maid. Let me get that sponsorship. And yeah, let's get it. Guys, so I'm trying to get this little comparison for you here. You can see on this side we have buffed it. Over here we have not. I think it shows up pretty well. I think you can tell like the haziness and the swirls. I'm really just trying to show you guys a representation of what's all possible and what we're doing here. So just bring the clarity out. In person it looks a whole lot more shinier. Not really too sure if I'll be able to kind of transmit that through the camera, but just know, guys, a little bit of time and some rubbing compound with a proper pad on the buffer, you can do some awesome stuff. Now, one thing I was not able to do, a man in the big rig, by the way, a man in the big rig. If you guys have any ideas as to how to get all of this off, I don't even know what it is. We're obviously repainting, thank God, the lower skirts, but damn, what is all that, huh? Also have some updates about our wheels. We're gonna get these I'm gonna refinish them, so I'm stoked to show you guys that. But yeah, I mean, it's coming along very well. We have the hood, this fender, half this door done, half the roof done. We're making moves, man, so I'm trying to get this video up, up at a reasonable time today. Let me know if you guys want like earlier uploads, like midday, or if you guys prefer the evening upload. Let me know. So I'm gonna get back to it. All right, so we're gonna try a little experiment here. I mean, we're just gonna try and sand it out and polish it. I mean, that's kind of where I'm at. Yeah, so no luck on this. I'm probably honestly gonna have to go ahead and repaint. I know you guys kind of hard to see me. Probably have to go ahead and just repaint this whole quarter panel. So I have to go actually down here. There's a little bit of a rust bubble starting, so I'm actually gonna repaint this area anyway. Alright, so I just want to show you guys also something really cool. Scratch removal with buffing. So you guys can see we have this little scratch right here in the clear coat, it appears to be. If you can feel it with your nail, then most likely it's through the clear coat. But if you really can't or barely feel it, you're probably in good shape. So I'm going to stay focused on this area, even though I'm probably going to be doing this whole little area in the quarter panel, even though I'm going to be repainting it. I don't know why I'm doing this for the video, I guess. I'm going to just keep it focused right here. You guys will be able to see that it should disappear. There you guys have it. Scratch is gone. Well, there we have it, man. Fully paint corrected, looking absolutely phenomenal, man. Like, so good, so good. Very, very happy with how it turned out. Super time consuming. This is something where you guys just have to take your time. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not, but I mean, it came out really nice, man. Full respray on a lot of components. We have the side skirts, the rear valances, the deck lid. What else do we got? I think obviously the rust spots down here, right there. So probably this whole quarter panel, maybe that side a little bit, I forget. Full wheel restoration on these Racing Heart 2-piece wheels. Very, very sick. Can't wait to get these. Honestly, if we do like a Pandem wide body kit, which I'd totally be down for, maybe get these like rebuilt and get like a wider, much wider wheel setup, so that'd be pretty cool. Also gonna go ahead and have to rip out a bunch of my interior trim pieces to go ahead and ship off to get wrapped in carbon fiber. And finally, at least for the exterior, after all the paint's complete, oh, we gotta do our side mirrors too, because I mean, they're just pretty faded. I'm gonna do the headlight restoration and probably a taillight restoration, just because our taillights are also in just pretty rough and pretty faded, and I think, yeah, this corner on this headlight housing is pretty destroyed. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and remove this rear bumper. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in this video. This video is probably long enough, and I've probably taken enough of your time for the day, so I appreciate you guys chilling here with me today. Sorry, I'm super sweaty. It's a muggy one today here in Texas, but thanks again for watching. A lot of cool stuff coming on the Skyline. 240 content coming back at you very, very soon. We got a shipment of parts coming on Friday. Tomorrow's Thursday. So Friday, we should be able to bring the 240 back inside, paint the engine bay. I'm still hunting for a transmission. Like, if you guys have an AR5 transmission, please let me know, because your boy needs one. And that's currently like my hold up with this whole 1J swap. I got the 1J looking great over there, but we need a transmission for it. So if you guys have an AR5, please get in touch with me. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Thank you.